Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a topic corrosion. When when metals are exposed to atmospheric conditions, they react with air or water in environment to form undesirable compounds, usually oxides. This process is called corrosion. Almost all metal except the least active metals such as gold, platinum are attractive by environment such that undergo corrosion. For example, silver, traces copper, develop a green rusting. Lead or stainless steel lose their luster due to the corrosion. Corrosion causes enormous damage to buildings, bridges, ships, and many other articles made of iron. Thus, corrosion is a process of determination of a metal as a result of its reaction with air or water, environmental, or we said surrounding it. In case of iron, corrosion is called rusting. Chemically, rust is hydrated form of ferric oxide Fe2O3.xH2O. Rusting of iron generally caused by moisture, carbon dioxide, and oxygen present in air. It has been observed that rusting takes place only when iron in contact with moist air. Iron does not rust in dry air and in vacuum. Factor affecting the corrosion. There main factors which affect corrosions are position of metal in EMF series. The reactivity of metal depends upon its position in the electrochemical series. More the reactivity of metal, the more will be the possibility of metal getting corroded. Presence of impurities in metal. The impurities help in setting up the voltaic cells which increase the speed of corrosion. Presence of electrolytes. Presence of electrolytes in water also increase the rate of corrosion. For example, corrosion iron in sea water takes place to large extent than in distilled water. Presence of CO2 in water. Presence of CO2 in natural water increase rusting of iron. Water containing CO2 act as an electrolyte and increase the flow of electrons from one place to another. Presence of protective coating. When the iron surface is coated with layer of metal more active than iron, then the active of corrosion is retarded. For example, coating of zinc on prevent rusting. Mechanism of iron. Electrochemical theory of rusting. The phenomena of corrosion can explained with the help of electrochemical theory, which involve oxidation and reduction reaction. According to electrochemical theory of corrosion, it believes that non-uniform surface of metal or impurity present in iron behave like small electric cells called corrosion couples. In the presence of water containing dissolved oxygen or carbon dioxide, a film of moisture with dissolved CO2 constitute electrolytic solution covering the metal surface various places. The schematic representation of the mechanism of rusting of iron is shown in the figure 3.35. In the small electrolysis cell, pure iron acts as anode while cathode as impure portion. The overall rusting involves the following step. Oxidation occurs at the anode of each electrochemical cell. Therefore, at each anode, neutral ion atoms are oxidized to ferrous ions. At anode, Fe solid gives Fe2 positive aqueous plus 2 electrons. Thus, the metal atom in the lattice pass into solution as ion, leaving electrons on the metal itself. These electrons move toward the cathode region through the metal. At the cathodes of each cell, the electrons are taken up by hydrogen ion. Reduction takes place. The H positive ion are obtained either from water from the acidic substance, example CO2 in the water. H2O gives H positive plus OH negative, or CO2 plus H2O gives H positive plus HCO3 negative. At cathode, H positive plus electron gives H. The hydrogen atom on the iron surface reduce dissolve oxygen. Therefore, the overall reaction at cathode of different electrochemical chemical cell may be written as 4H positive plus O2 plus 4 electron gives 2H2O. The overall redox reaction may be written by multiplying reaction at anode, equation 1 and 2, and adding equation by at cathode. Equation 2. To equalize number of electron loss and gain such that oxidation half reaction Fe solid gives Fe2 positive aqueous plus 2 electron whole multiplied by 2. Reduction half reaction 4H positive O plus O2 plus 4 electron gives 2H2O. Overall cell reaction 2 Fe solid plus 4H positive plus O2 gives 2 Fe2 positive aqueous plus 2 H2O. The ferrous ions are oxidized further by atmospheric oxygen to form rusting. 4 Fe2 positive aqueous plus O2 gaseous plus 4 H2O gives 2 Fe2O3 plus 8 H positive. Fe2O3 plus XH2O gives Fe2O3 dot XH2O, which is known as rust. It may be noted that salt water accelerates corrosion. This is mainly due to the fact that water increases the electrical conduction of the electrolyte solution formed on the metal surface. Therefore, the rusting becomes more serious problem where the salt water is present. Now, next topic is preventions of corrosion. The rusting of iron can be prevented or retarded by the method given below. First of all, barrier protection. This is the one of the simplest method to prevent the rusting of iron. In a method, barrier is placed between the iron and atmospheric air. The barrier protection can be achieved by any of the following method. The surface is coated with paint. The surface is protected by applying a thin film of oil or grease. The metal is electroplated with metal like thin nickel, zinc, chromium, aluminium, etc. For example, many vehicles such as cycle, motor car made for iron sheets are protected on rusting by paints. Many iron articles are electroplated with coating of other metals. The electroplating is carried on not only for the achieving brightness but also to protect from corrosion. Second method, sacrificial protecting. In this method, iron is protected from rusting by covering it with layer of the metal more active than iron. This prevents loss of electron from iron. The active metal loses electron in preference to iron and goes into the ionic state. Therefore, the covering metal is consumed with time, but as long as it is present on the surface of iron, the later it is not state. This type of process is which rusting of iron protect is called the sacrificial protecting. Zinc is commonly used for covering iron surface. The process of covering iron with zinc is lead galvanization. The galvanized iron material maintain their luster due to the coating invisible layer of basic zinc carbonate ZnCO3 dot ZnOH twice on the zinc film. If some scratches or on the protective zinc film on coated iron, even then iron will not be rusted. This is due to the fact that because of the scratches both zinc and iron get exposed to oxidation, but zinc undergo oxidation in preference to iron. This is so because the reaction potential of zinc is less than the reduction potential of iron. Zn2 positive aqueous plus 2 electron gives zinc solid. Fe2 positive plus 2 electrons gives Fe solid. Therefore, zinc undergo oxidation in the preference to iron. However, it may be noted that in case of tin plating, such that tin coating of iron, the film will be effective as long as it is intact. When scratches occur at the coating surface, both the metals are exposed to oxygen. Iron preferably oxidizing and is rusted. This is due to the reduction potential of tin is more than that of iron. Sn2 positive aqueous plus 2 electron gives equilibrium in Sn solid. Fe2 positive plus 2 electrons equilibrium with Fe solid. Electrical protection. The method is used for protecting iron articles which are in the contact with water, such as underground water pipes. The particles of iron is connected with more active metal like magnesium of zinc. Figure 37. The active metal has low reduction potential than iron, will lose electron in the preference to iron. For example, magnesium has lower reduction potential than iron. Magnesium 2 positive aqueous plus 2 electron gives magnesium solid. Fe2 positive aqueous plus 2 electron gives the Fe solid. Therefore, the magnesium will be oxidized in the preference to iron, and therefore it will be protect iron from being rusted. Using anti-rust solution. To retard the corrosion of iron, certain anti-rust solutions are used. For example, solution of alkaline phosphates and alkaline chromates are generally used as anti-rust solution. Due to the alkaline nature of the solution, the H positive ion are removed from the solution. The rusting is prevented. For example, iron particles are dipped in boiling alkaline sodium phosphate solutions, when a protective insoluble seeking film of iron phosphate is formed. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today we are going to